Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most trusted names in the compact hatchback world, the new 2026 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R. Known for its practicality, efficiency, and family-friendly design, the Wagon R has been a favorite for everyday drivers across the country. The 2026 model brings refined styling, improved comfort, and smarter features, making it an even stronger choice for city life. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this Wagon R continues to stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Wagon R carries forward its tallboy design but with fresher styling cues. The front fascia now features a sharper grille and updated headlamp elements that give the car a cleaner, more modern look. The body lines have been refined for a smoother profile, while new dual-tone color options and redesigned wheel covers add more personality. Its compact footprint still makes it perfect for tight streets and easy parking, while the upright stance ensures great visibility for the driver. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Wagon R continues with its reliable 1.0-liter and 1.2-liter petrol engines, tuned for better efficiency and smoother throttle response. Drivers can choose between a 5-speed manual or an effortless AMT, making it ideal for daily commuting. Maruti has also optimized the suspension for improved ride comfort, and the CNG variant remains a top pick for those looking to cut running costs. Lightweight construction helps the Wagon R deliver excellent fuel economy without compromising stability. Safety and technology. Safety sees a boost with refined ABS, dual airbags, and improved braking performance. Inside, the 2026 Wagon R features an updated infotainment system with smartphone connectivity on higher trims. The cabin continues to offer generous headroom, practical storage spaces, and comfortable seating for small families. With added features like hill hold assist in AMT models and enhanced visibility,